Namaskar, good morning, Pranipat. Dear students, parents, and friends, I couldn't stop myself from being the anchor of this pious occasion of 75 years of glory of independence, enhanced by the exuberant performances of my fellow Kilkarians. Friends, it's a time to take pride in the courage of our freedom fighters, taking pride for all the achievements our nation has achieved in these so long 75 years. It's a time when we should harmonize ourselves with the situations, a time to enjoy the convergence of this virtual era. Who would have thought that internet will become such an integral part of our daily lives, spreading positivity and good vibes? Let's celebrate this memorable hour like we have been doing so far virtually, leaving behind the disappointments and sadness of Corona. Let's hold hands together and rise to set new goals. For this moment of contentment will not come back. After all, it's not every day our nation turns 75. So we unveil today celebration with a flag hosting ceremony. Requesting you all, if possible, please stand up during the flag hosting while the national anthem is being played.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंगा
तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे
गाहे तव जय गाथा
जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
To celebrate today's 75th Independence Day, our Kilkarians have prepared some beautiful performances, which I will be showcasing you one by one. So let's begin with the performance of Master Anirudh, a very cute kid from primary section.
हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान मेरी शान है हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान हम करते हैं ये वादा माँ तेरी आँखों में का सोना आने देंगे दे देंगे जान सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम.
Let's have a big round of applause for this performance. Really, it's truly mesmerizing. After this such a great performance, we have another energetic kid who is watching for his turn. देखिए तो सही आप इनका जोश. मास्टर ध्रुव चौहान from class second.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dhruv Chand. I am Bhagat Singh.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देख रहा है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे आसमां। हम अभी क्या बताएं, हम अभी से क्या बताएं, क्या हमारे दिल में है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Wow, truly an impeccable piece of art. A huge round of applause. Friends, as you know, India is one of the biggest democratic country in the world. The democracy which grants us freedom of speech and equality. But with its privileges, we also need to have the sense of responsibility, sense of protect our heritage, our culture, our country. With this note, coming to the next performance of Master Kamran and Shadma of class 5th and 7th.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है भले जो भी है जैसे है तुम पे हम नाज जानिला हमको ये जमाना जब दो हमको आज़माना यार बातों कहते हैं हमको प्यार से पिया वाले छूटे वाले पिया वाले छूटे वाले पिया वाले दुश्मन के छुट्टे छुड़ा दे हम पिया वाले दुश्मन के छुट्टे छुड़ा दे हम पिया वाले दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान दुनिया वालों बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान हमें कहा है हमें कहा है जो
Wow, beautifully coordinated. Well done, students. Oh wow, some freedom fighters are there. Now see them and listen what they say. Sheetal, Hitvi and Jivika.
My name is Sheetal Sharma. I read in 3rd class. मैं झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, मैं अपनी झांसी अंग्रेजों को नहीं छूने दूंगी। My name is Hitvi. I study 2nd class. I am a Bharat Singh. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। जय हिंद। मैं 13वीं 14वीं सदी की महान भारतीय रानी पद्मावती हूँ। मैं चित्तौड़ के राजा रावल रतन सिंह की पत्नी हूँ। मैं खूबसूरती के लिए जानी जाती हूँ।
Beautiful performances by all the students. Well done, Bacha. So one more dhamakedar performance in a queue from Nandini and Anushka. Here it is.
हमारे यहाँ कोई माने ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है भले जो भी है जैसे है तुम पे हम नाज जानिला हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना यार बात हम चाल हम इश्क बात दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से
जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Dear friends, must watch another great effort by a primary student, Deepanshu.
morning, मेरा नाम है दीपांशु कुमार। आए तद्दीन ततला तू हम भारत से परत थे तेरो दी दंदान दे तो दे दुनिया बर्तन हिंदुस्तान दे। इस में पैदा होना बड़े रोजी बात है, साथ और वीरता उन्हें फुर्तो सी तो दात है, बड़ी बड़ी दौलत है, तम नहीं जिम्मेदारियां ताते पहले फूल बाद में देती है फुलवारियां। तभी रहते तभी महते जीते मरते तान दे तो दे दुनिया बर्तन हिंदुस्तान दे।
वेरी गुड।
जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Well done, Deepanshu. So, dear friends, today is a special occasion. Whatever students think about our independence means a lot. And we as their parent have this moral responsibility to make sure we listen to them. What do Monisha and Namrita thinks about it? Listen carefully.
Children and celebrating Independence Day speech. In this national celebration day, we should feel proud of being a part of India. India is an independent nation that gives us the freedom to follow all our rights, including the right to education and the right to speech. For almost 200 years, we were under the rule of the British government. They treated us like slaves and destroyed our money and resources. With after all struggles, India finally got freedom. For almost 73 years ago, on 15 August 1947, India finally got independence from British rule. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted Indian flag on the Red Fort. India celebrated Independence Day across the nation. After independence, we got our own constitution and our own founded fighters. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Namrata Bharadwaj. I study in class 6 and today I am presenting a speech on Independence Day 15 August 1947. Today we celebrate Independence Day to remember the struggle to our great freedom fighters who fought to the death for our country, and we remember them and show our gratitude towards them, arranging different programs in our schools and colleges and hosting our national flag. After all the hard work of our brave freedom fighters, we gained our independence on 15th August 1947. Bye. Thank you.
Oh, that's great. What a speech by Monisha and Namrita. Well done, girls. Dear friends, as you know, our country India is a country of different colors. It has so many festivals, so many celebrations, which bringing us joy and fulfillment. The festivals in turn serve as tool to unite our wonderful country. Let's hear to what these students are saying about these colors of India through this song, Hum India Wale, performed by Sonia and Samiksha from class 6th and 7th.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम
Wow, beautifully performed by Sonia and Samiksha. Now another beautiful dance performance in a queue. Just check it out. Our Parul Bhardwaj from class 7.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Wow, great Parul. What a beautiful dance. Friends, our country always believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam, which means we all are like brothers and sisters. We all are like family. And this is a unique spirit which is instilled in us, is what bonds us together. Let's see the next presentation which exhibits the unique spirit of our country. Presenting Al-Shifa, Isra and Adiba, a group dance.
वो रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बन के, मैं खिल जाऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं, तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Beautiful bachon, well played. Okay, let us some serious talk by Tarun and Ravi, coming with their speeches.
Here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. As a citizen of India, I am so proud to talk to you about my mother India. On the 9th of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to make a maiden speech in Delhi. When the world slept, India will make the life and freedom. Yes, India became free from the bondage of British rule. Now India is the largest democratic country in the world. The country's strength is to find unity in diversity. But there are stories and that secularism, but the people of India are ready to sacrifice everything for the cause of unity. Today we remember the greatest leader who gave their lives for their nation, freedom and prosperity. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gave the longest written constitution to us. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru worked for an industrial India. Gandhiji taught amazement and non-violence. Subhash Chandra Bose introducing codes and Swami Vivekananda gave us special power. Yes, with this constitution, India will be a superpower in the coming years. Our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam told the children of India to build a strong nation with aim and preserve. Indeed, there is not a word and single man. It is a word of and one billion souls. Hey India, Jai India. Thank you.
Morning to all my respected teacher, parents and dear classmates. Today we are united here to celebrate the Independence Day. As well as we all know that Independence Day is the great occasion for all of Indians. India's Independence Day is the most important day for us in the Indian citizen and has been maintained forever in history. Independence Day is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by our great freedom fighters by their lives in getting independence for India. India got independence on the 15th of August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our nation, our motherland. Every should feels proud to be an Indian and pride or fact. We took birth on the independent India during British rule. British have done virtual behavior too. Jai Bharat.
Well done, बच्चों. Our next presentation is dedicated to our brave freedom fighters and soldiers who laid down their lives for our motherland, our India. A dance performance by Samarpit of class 5th dedicated to motherland India.
मैं हूँ उस देश का, बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जब के मगर झाड़ दूंगा, तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा। झंडा इंडिया का उठे
So the next feature in a poem by Anivendra Singh and a speech by Harsh Padan. Let's check it out.
प्रणाम आप सभी को। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है मेरा भारत महान। मेरे वतन में रहने वाले जन जन का सम्मान हो। मेरे वतन में रहने वाले जन का सम्मान हो। भारतवासी ये चाहे रादेश महान हो। हम भारतवासी ये चाहे मेरा देश महान हो। सुनना चाहो सुनो ध्यान से, देश हमारा है, अच्छा बुरा है जैसा भी है, भारत देश हमारा है। हमारे एक है, एक ही हमारी जान। हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, मैं इसकी शान। लुटा देंगे वतन पे जान, लुटा देंगे वतन पे, हो जाए कुर्बान। इसीलिए हम कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान, मेरा भारत महान। जय हिंद।
My name is Sudan Singh. I study in class 6. Good morning, one and all. Today we are gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of India. We all know that India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our own nation. Our motherland, we also feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on at the land of an independent India. History of Save India reveals everything that how our ancestors and freedom fighters had worked hard and suffered all the British behavior of Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great wonders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. I would like to say we must be proud to be Indian. So let's celebrate today with great joy. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So friends, I believe as an Indian, don't take pride, but today, if you open your eyes wide enough, you will see we Indians are now shining everywhere. In Microsoft, in NASA, in ISRO, in Google, in sports, in space. We are in power everywhere. This is a new India, friends. And we are proud of it. So come, let's celebrate this height with the next performance of Archita Sharma of class 7. Dear students, as I have already said, this independence brings a lot of responsibilities. With it, responsibilities towards our family, towards our society, towards our nation, towards nature, towards our culture. Now it's our turn to drive and keep building a strong and beloved nation. Now our next performer Farhat is joining us with this beautiful dance number. Farhat of class 9.
जाना मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा है मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा
ये क्या हुआ?
ये दिल की मशालें जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम लिया घरों का निशाना दिखाना दबाना फिर देगा मसाला चारों सबको अपना नाम दिया ओ मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी दिल से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा बन के कमर तक जुड़िया तन के मोजनू बाजा मारे नजर कर टुकड़े सारे ओ चन्ना सूते बन के कमर तक जुड़िया तन के मोजनू बाजा
Beautiful dance by Farhat. Wow, well done. The students of class 7th, Buddhi Prakash is ready with this speech of this occasion. Let's check it out.
Good morning to my regards, Principal, Madam, and my respected sir, Madam, and my everything associates. I would like to say thank you to give me such an incredible chance to talk something in our honor Republic Day. My name is Buddhi Prakash, I read in class 8. Today, we as a whole are here to celebrate 75th Republic Day of our country. This is an incredible and favorable event for every one of us. We have to welcome each other for the Republic Day and we have to pray from God to enhance our country. We observe Republic Day in India constantly on 26 January as the Constitution of India came into content at this day. We are constantly praising the Republic Day of India since 1950. As on 26 January in 1950, India Constitution came into constraint. India is a fair and democratic nation where open is approved to choose its fairness to lead the nation. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India. Since we get autonomy from the British rule in 1947, our nation has built upon a tower and considered as a part of the effective nation. Together with a few improvements, a few disadvantages have like this image such parties, institution and unemployment, development, absence of education and so on. We have to promise today to solve such issues in the general public to make our nation a best nation of the world. Thank you.
Dear friends, for few final minutes, just hold your seats for last memorable performance. Are in transits. I would also like to mention in this crucial time, our students are laying it really hard to cope up with the situation. They are learning as well as they are enjoying. Really commendable. With this spirit of Kilkari School, learning without fear, we come to our next performance, a dance by Priyanshi and Sakshi of class 6th and 5th.
My name is Kanchika and I am reading class 6. My name is Sakshi Sharma and I am reading class 6. We are best friends. हम आपके सामने एक डांस प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. हमने कहा है हमने कहा है तो तुम भी कहो.
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा. आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा.
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो. चलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं. जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं.
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है. ना झुके, ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है. वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है. ना झुके, ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है.
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान.
Wow, superb girls. So finally coming to the end of today's program, let's see some performance of Charul and Dimple of class 5th and 6th. Let's see.
और आंचड़ा में तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था. ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था. ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है राज. तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा. इतनी सी है दिल की आग.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो. हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो. सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो. चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. हिंदुस्तानी.
Well done, girls. Beautifully danced. So here comes the last performance of our day, our program. A dance performance by Rajat from class 7th. Must watch.
ऐ वतन जान जान मन ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जानिसा ऐ वतन जान जान मन ये समा ये बहार.
At the end of this program, I would like to convey my appreciation and a token of thanks to all the students and their parents who have equally shown the spirit and spare some time for their valuable schedule to celebrate in this unusual manner, especially our primary class parents. Thank you everyone. Keep it up with this spirit. Stay safe. Happy Independence Day. Good afternoon.